Alibaba.com is making some massive moves to completely change the game of dropshipping. And if you want to be the first to know exactly what this is, then keep watching this video. What is up everybody, Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now on my YouTube channel, you have seen that I talk a lot about dropshipping because after all, my students have made over $46 million by simply following my simple dropshipping strategies. And if you want to learn more about it, there's going to be some link in the video description right down below. But for this video, I wanted to actually share with you a complete breakthrough which I have been waiting for years to happen, which is Alibaba.com stepping up their game to release their dropshipping center. Listen, this is going to be a game changer for many people because now you get to actually have access into millions of products with just one single click. But before I actually go even deeper into how to start dropshipping on Alibaba.com, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. So as I said, Alibaba.com finally released their dropshipping center. I actually have thought many years ago on why Alibaba.com has yet to release this. But now it's finally here. For the last decade, Alibaba.com has been focusing on manufacturing products with high MOQ, which is minimum order quantity, to actually sell to retailers so that they can resell their products at a retail store. But as you have been aware, dropshipping has taken a huge leap forward, and Alibaba.com has yet to do anything to really capture this market. After all, Alibaba.com have access into literally an unprecedented amount of vendors and suppliers that can actually create products at a very low price for anyone to actually resell to make more money. And now, Alibaba.com finally released their dropshipping center. Not only did they release the dropshipping center, they're even automating the entire process once you receive an order inside your store. Now, instead of me just talking about it, let me actually head over to my screen to show you this new dropship center that Alibaba.com has created. All right, so right now, as you see right on my screen, this is Alibaba.com's dropship center. So right now, you can actually see products that are under $10, shipping fee that are under $15, and there's actually a lot of crazy things that I see in huge potentials inside Alibaba's dropship center. So first of all, you can actually go by category. Let's say that I'm looking for consumer electronics, and you can actually see right out of the gate what the processing time is going to be. A lot of people are saying that dropshipping is dead because of the processing time. But as you can see, the processing time now with Alibaba.com and their shipping is actually superbly fast. And one thing that I'm pretty excited about is the fact that Alibaba.com has also made it where the shipping cost isn't that expensive at all. And when you actually go through and start looking at all these products, you can actually see that compared to other platforms out there, there are actually more premium products that you can actually sell. And again, let's look at home and garden. All these products are available right now, right at your fingertips where you can actually start selling. And the price isn't expensive at all. And here's the crazy part. As you can see, let's say that I want to actually sell this product over here. I can actually start adding these products into my import list. Once I've done so, I can actually go to the import list and publish all these products right into my store in one single click. And when customers comes to my store to buy the product that I've uploaded through Alibaba.com's import center, guess what? The vendor will automatically fulfill the order for me. So this is a huge game changer because now you don't even have to worry about buying the product in yourself and copy and pasting your customer shipping address. Alibaba.com actually took care of all that. So again, there's just so many products right now that I need to still go through it myself, but I can see how right now with Alibaba.com's new drop shipping center, it's opening up huge opportunities for people to actually start selling more products and, more importantly, going straight to the source where you don't need to spend an arm and a leg for these products. And the most best part is that everything is just one MOQ. So it's like dropshipping. You just need to buy one unit. You don't have to go through Alibaba.com and buy in 10, 20, or 100 units and have those products sitting in the warehouse if it is not selling. So I highly recommend you to really check this out. I'll leave the link right in the video description right down below. And I highly recommend you, if you have an e-commerce store right now, to just create an account with Alibaba.com and simply just synchronize your store. And then you can actually start adding products with just one single click. So again, there's a lot of products. I'm just going through another list right now, and the possibilities are absolutely endless. All right, as you see, listen, this is a huge game changer for dropshippers. Now you literally have access into millions of more products to sell, and knowing for a fact that your customers are going to have guaranteed delivery based on the time that the vendor has set. So now you are literally being opened up into a huge blue ocean of more products for you to obviously sell. But not only did Alibaba.com release their dropshipping center, they're also announcing their Super September. And during this Super September, Alibaba.com is going to be discounting upwards of 40% on their products, which means you're literally going to spend less and make more. Because at the end of the day, you're going to be buying products at a much lower cost of goods and still sell it at whatever price that you have set and make more margins. But not only that, Alibaba.com really stepped up their game to release new features that's really going to benefit dropshippers like you and I. Number one, they are releasing Alibaba.com live videos. You see, this is super powerful that Alibaba.com has released their dropship center. But on top of their dropship center, Alibaba.com has also announced their Super September event. And during this Super September event, they are going to be discounting their products upwards of 40%. So this means you get to spend less and make more, because now you have a better profit margin for your products that you are selling during their Super September event. And in fact, Alibaba.com is releasing more features that's going to benefit you and I when we are drop shipping products. Firstly, they are releasing their Alibaba.com live videos. This way, you get to interact with the owners and also workers right from the vendor itself. So you can actually check the legitimacy of the product and also to ask questions that you have about the product. Number two, they're also going to be releasing true view videos. So instead of just looking at a picture of the product, they're also releasing true view videos to actually give you different perspective on how the product looks like and what the product can do so that you can easily sell it through your store and through your ads. Now, last but not least, they're also releasing, personally, I think it's a huge game changer, which is their virtual reality showroom. So instead of you needing to actually fly to the destination of where the manufacturer is, you get to actually join a virtual showroom to actually see the manufacturer and the products that they have, so that you don't need to travel anymore and can still see the actual facility and products through a virtual room. Listen, this is going to really allow people like you and I that were unable to travel right now to actually still see the products that we want to actually drop ship online. And at the end of the day, Alibaba.com's entire initiative is simple. They want us as businesses to actually spend less and make more. And this is absolutely the #1 golden rule when it comes to making money. You want to actually spend the least amount of money to make the most amount of profit. And in fact, personally, I've used Alibaba.com to actually drop my cost of goods down. And you will experience this when you are drop shipping and when you are selling more of the same unit. Because at the end of the day, when it comes to drop shipping, you're literally buying single units from the vendors, which they are going to charge you a little bit of a higher price for getting the product out the door. But as you start running ads, you will know what your cost per purchase is, and you will know roughly how many units you are going to sell in a single day. And let's say that if your cost of goods when it comes to drop shipping is $10 and you've been breaking even for the past 2 weeks, knowing for a fact that people are buying this product, you can actually spend less on the product by buying the products in bulk. So instead of just buying single unit, you can go ahead and buy 10, 20, or 30 at the same time, which will drastically reduce your cost of goods and also helping you make more at the same time. So keep in mind one thing. When it comes to drop shipping, you're really using it to get in markets, to essentially spend the least amount of money to test the products and test to see if you are able to actually make money from it. And if you can, you want to actually step up a notch and start buying products in bulk so that you can actually spend less and make more money at the same time. And that's true business that we are talking about. So listen, I'm personally super excited that Alibaba.com finally released the entire Dropship Center. This is going to be a huge game changer, and combined with their Super September events, we get to actually benefit on buying products at a lower cost and having one-click automation to automate the entire process and to make more money as well. Now listen, I'll drop the links to all the Alibaba.com's feature and also the Dropship Center right in the video description. Make sure you check it out. And for those of you that are really wanting to learn how to start your dropshipping business, I also will leave some links in the video description right down below. And also, comment right down below to actually tell me if you can actually see the excitement and how this is going to be a game changer that now Alibaba.com released their actual drop shipping center, which will allow us to literally start selling millions of more products through our stores. So with that, I'll keep you posted on how things go with Alibaba.com's Dropship Center. So make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.